Hello, if you have been creating content and you are getting 0 views, there is something you are not doing on your content. And this thing is what I'm going to talk about. So if you stick around till the end of this video, you'll understand why this thing is very important before you even start creating content. So I want us to talk about this concept called keyword research. What is the purpose of keyword research? In very short terms, the purpose of keyword research is to help you identify keywords that people are searching for online, and they should have some search volume and they should be low competition. So you are there, you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you stick around till the end of this video, you will understand different tools that you can use for conducting keyword research and how you can identify the right keywords that you can use in whatever niche that you are doing for your channel. So without wasting a lot of time, let's dive into keyword research.
Paid keywords, aka the big dogs. These are the one-word or two-word monsters. Let us look at some of the examples. Marketing. Marketing is an example of a paid keyword. Now the problem with these keywords is that you can't tell what is the intent of the user. Another paid keyword, fitness. When somebody is searching for fitness, you cannot tell what is he searching for. Is it male fitness or women fitness or is it young people fitness and so on. The third example is lawyer. So these big keywords, they have insane search volumes. They are broad as hell. And yeah, everyone and their grandma is fighting for them. So when you try to rank for head keywords, it's like walking into a UFC on your first day at the gym. Possible? Are you maybe smart or not really? So this is a no-go zone. Okay. Number 2, we have the body keywords. Body keywords. Body keywords, what are they? These are the mid-tier players. They are 2 to 3 words, a little bit more specific. Let us look at some of the examples. Digital marketing. I have personally tried digital marketing. The competition is less, but they still have a decent search volume. They are easier to capture. You want to think of it like a middleweight division. They are still very tough, but you can actually have a chance if you show up and put in the repetition. So you keep showing up every day, you are likely to get some traffic. So we have more examples apart from digital marketing. Let's say personal fitness coach. So for this one, you can actually try guessing the intent of the person who is searching. Could be someone who is in need of a personal training coach, and it's from the research that they are less competitive. The volume is decent. So if you try out these second category, body keywords, you are likely to get attention. Lastly, we have the long tail keywords. Long tail keywords. Long tail keywords, we can call them based on the number of words. They have 4 words or more. They are hyper specific. For example would be best digital marketing agency for startups in Boston. Let us try that. Best digital marketing agency for startups in Boston. Okay, so this one will usually have very low competition. The search volume, however, is also low, but their conversion rate is high. You look at the conversion rate of these long tail keywords. They have a higher conversion rate as compared to the head keywords. So if you are trying not to be famous and you want to start printing money, you want to focus on the long tail keywords. So in summary, what are we saying? We are saying that the head is equals to attention, body is equals to traction, long tail equals to transactions. So focus on the long tail to start. Stack wins, then move upstream when you've got some leverage. So if you need any assistance in conducting keyword research for your own specific niche, you can get in touch with me. I do keyword research. I will provide you with a list of keywords that you can use if you want conversions. Or if you also want to be famous, I can give you the combination of keywords that you can use so that you become famous in a very short time. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.
Breaking news, keyword research offer. So this first week of September, I'm offering free keyword research tool for startups. You have a startup, you are operating a physical business, and you must be located in the US. You want to start creating content, but you don't have keywords. I'm offering free keyword research. I will give you up to 50 keywords that you can start using to create your content and start measuring the results. So claim your offer by clicking in the link in the description.